Today we're going to use this gel press. It's the 8x10 plate with acrylic paint to create a pattern paper for scrapbooking. It's going to be one of the easiest ways you can make custom designs on your paper. Basically, you want to add a thin layer of acrylic paint to your plate, roll it out or brush it, and it's going to add texture. You can use tools, stamps, even random objects. Press the paper on top, peel it back, and the pattern transforms it instantly. It's basically printmaking without needing a press, which is why it's so popular for the crafts. This is super easy to use, even if you're not artistic. It creates one-of-a-kind prints every single time. It picks up a lot of texture and detail. It's reusable, so you just clean it and go again. You may ask yourself, why not just paint the pattern directly onto the paper? This gel is soft and responsive, so it captures patterns really well compared to the flat surfaces. You can make custom backgrounds instead of using store-bought paper and layer different colors for unique designs. Every page ends up looking a little bit different. We were sent to test out, and this makes scrapbook pages feel more personal instead of cookie cutter. It's a little messy at first, especially if you're painting and experimenting, but once you get the hang of it, it's actually really fun. Easy cleanup with just water and mild soap or wipes.